Welcome back, healthy club fans. Do you walk into your home and feel like it's messy, even right after cleaning? Your brain decides if a room looks clean in under 3 seconds, and you can hack it. Stay to discover designer secrets that make any space look instantly tidy, without deep cleaning. 5 designer secrets to make your home look clean instantly, plus a bonus tip. Today, 5 simple science-backed design secrets pros use to create calm, organized rooms in seconds. Clean home, less clutter, low visual noise, a tidy space. Quick home hacks you can do fast. Secret 1. The sightline check. Your sightline is what your eye sees first from the entry. Anything poking up reads as clutter. Think. A chair back, a table edge, a random box. These spike visual noise instantly. Clear just the line of sight above knee height. It takes under a minute. Before, noisy and busy. After, your brain relaxes. The room reads clean in seconds. Prioritize what you see from the door, not every corner at once. Focus on knee-height surfaces, a chair, or the entry table. Instantly feels cleaner, without deep cleaning. Fewer interruptions in the first glance reduce perceived clutter. Apply the same from your bedroom door for a tidy space on entry. Even in bathrooms, a clean sightline calms visual noise. Secret 1 recap. Clear that entry view. Fast win. Up next, the flat surfaces rule. How to erase visual noise from counters, dressers, and tables in seconds. Secret 2. Flat surfaces rule. Your brain hates visual noise. Flat surfaces are clutter magnets. Do 30-second sweeps a few times a day. Remove what doesn't belong. Instant calm space. Before, busy and scattered. After, contained and tidy. Little sweeps, big payoff. Clutter down, tidy up. Less visual noise. Secret 3. Consider scale. Too many small items overwhelm the eye. Swap small clusters for fewer, larger pieces. Group loose items into one intentional basket. Avoid mystery bins. They hide clutter, they don't solve it. Use containers with purpose you can identify in 3 seconds. Fewer, bigger shapes read organized. If this is helpful, keep watching. The bonus tip will change how your home looks in seconds. Comment which secret you'll try first. Clear flat surfaces, then scale up and group smart. Ready for 2 more? Next, how giving each zone one job makes clutter disappear. Secret 4. One zone, one job. Clutter grows when areas try to do too much. Give each zone one purpose your brain identifies in 3 seconds. Hooks for jackets, a tray for keys, a bin for mail. Small items get small bins, simple zones, clutter-free. Secret 5. Edge alignment and front facing. Align edges to trick the eye into seeing order. Front-facing and straight rows look instantly tidy. Take 10 seconds to align. Instant intention. Bonus. Vertical drops. Consolidate up, not out. Your brain reads one shape, not 10. Hang jackets on a strip. 1 vertical drop. Stack shoes vertically to free floor lines. Horizontal scatter versus vertical tower. Calm versus chaos. Use vertical bins so categories read instantly. Recap. Sightlines, clear, flat surfaces. Consider scale. One zone, one job. Align edges. Go vertical. These designer secrets make your home look tidy in seconds. No deep clean required. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more home hacks and design tips.